pickled cucumbers, or simply pickles. These are just different names for a delicious treat that you can never resist. The journey of pickles begins with the seeding process. Each seed is meticulously planted at the perfect depth in the soil, using specialized machines to ensure healthy growth. Once planted, the seeds are carefully tended until they sprout into beautiful young plants. Farmers often keep bees close to their crops, as they're fantastic pollinators. The bees' nectar extraction helps boost crop yields, improving efficiency and the quality of produce. As time passes, the saplings grow into healthy plants. A dedicated team of farmers arrives to harvest what they've sown. Those precious cucumbers that are now fully grown. They've introduced an ingenious system for their valuable workers to efficiently harvest cucumbers while avoiding the harsh sun. Now, you might wonder, why don't they use machinery for harvesting? Here's a glimpse of that automated process you were curious about. They've created an incredibly efficient system to collect, convey, and store the cucumber seamlessly. These workers are truly skilled at what they do. It's essentially a one-person job. This approach allows large companies to save significantly on labor costs by investing in these agricultural heroes. You'll be surprised by what I'm about to reveal so far. China is the leading producer of cucumbers in the world. Do you know the figures? They produce approximately 77 million tons of cucumbers every year. With such remarkable engineering, it's easy to believe it. Once the cucumbers are harvested, the next step is to wash and prepare them for pickling. Now, we've entered a temporary facility where the cucumbers are cleaned. This is a crucial step, ensuring the cucumbers are clean and free from dirt or pesticide residue before they enter the pickling process. Workers manually inspect to ensure only the highest quality cucumbers make it through. Now they're ready to move on to the main facility, where the pickling magic happens. Let's watch as they unload the cucumbers and perform a quick quality check before proceeding further. Take a look at these brining units, a crucial step in the pickling process. Brining is where cucumbers are infused with a flavorful solution. This brine contains secret ingredients that give the pickles their unique and tangy deliciousness. Cucumbers rest in the brine for anywhere from 1 to 4 weeks, depending on the company's preference. Once the time is up, they use heavy lifting equipment to manage the delicate piles of pickles. You've tried both sliced and whole cucumber pickles, right? First, let's take a tour of the sliced pickles, haven't you? Is being processed entirely mechanically. Transforming ordinary cucumbers into flavorful pickles that pickle lovers everywhere will enjoy. While these jars are being filled with sliced pickles, they're now ready to delight pickle lovers everywhere. Just look at them. Meanwhile, these jars are being filled with sliced pickles, along with a special liquid to keep them fresh. For as long as you'd like, why not subscribe to my channel? I'd love to share my journey with you. Every time I post new content, look at that, they're all set to be dispatched. Feel free to comment below if you've tried their pickles or enjoy watching the entire process. Now, it's time to take you on a different pickling adventure with another company. This one's a bit unique. We all know that cleaning is essential for ensuring safety and health for all consumers. Now let me tell you, these gherkins or pickles aren't just tasty. They come with a host of health benefits too, packed with gut-friendly probiotics and hydrating goodness. They're a crunchy delight that keeps your tummy happy and your body refreshed. Some studies suggest that compounds in cucumbers may help regulate blood sugar levels. Just a quick pause here to show you my favorite spice. That's right, none other than dill. While they prepare the bottles, along with a medley of other spices, I want to share that the fiber in cucumber pickles, especially those made with the skin on, can promote digestion, helping to keep you regular and preventing constipation. Every company has its own unique style of making pickles, and here we're witnessing an entirely different experience. These pickles will be prepared and ready to go into your containers. These pickling cucumbers are generally shorter, around 3 to 6 inches, with a blockier shape and bumpy skin. But I know this is going to be a delightful experience for anyone who loves whole pickled cucumbers.